Hello, today we are making oil-free mutton curry but with a twist. We will cook the mutton in its own fat or churbi, promising all the flavors without the guilt. To make the mutton juicy and tender, we will marinate with salt, garlic paste, ginger paste, chopped chilies, and grated raw papaya with its skin on. Massage the meat with all the ingredients and marinate for minimum of 2 hours. Now, for making the gravy, we will use mutton fat. When you buy the meat, ask your butcher for some fat separately, which they would happily provide. For making the curry, heat a pressure cooker and add the mutton fat. Then, on medium heat, slowly render the fat for 5 minutes. We are using about the same amount of fat that comes with the mutton here, so make sure not to use more than that. When the chunks start to take a golden brown color, press with a masher and render the remaining fat. Then add a bay leaf, black cardamom, an inch of cinnamon, mace, and grate in some nutmeg. Temper the spices until they are fragrant. Next, add sliced onions and fry until the onions are caramelized and turn golden brown. Once the onions are done, add the marinated mutton and fry on high heat until the meat browns and it releases its juices. Then add hot water and stir, making sure nothing is sticking to the bottom. Cover and pressure cook for 2 whistles on medium flame. This will do 2 things. Firstly, tenderize the mutton and turn the onion, garlic and ginger in the gravy into a thick base to set the stage for your meat to shine. Release the steam and then add coriander powder, roasted cumin powder, turmeric powder and Kashmiri chili powder. Stir and cook the masalas over medium heat for 10 minutes. Now look at this gravy. It appears rich and appetizing, and the best part is you cannot even tell that not a single drop of oil was used to prepare this. Our oil-free mutton curry is ready. Serve this with fluffy steamed rice, roti or naan. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!